Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your subscribers on YouTube on mobile. The process is actually same with Android and iOS. So I'm going to be using the Chrome browser to show the entire process. Now let's open Chrome browser and then go to youtube.com. As you can see, our YouTube has loaded. So now what we're going to do is request desktop site. So click on the three dots on the upper right corner and then click on desktop site. Now for iOS device, you will find the three dots on the bottom right corner. Make sure to click on that and then click on request desktop site. Now we are viewing the desktop version of YouTube from our mobile device. After that, on the upper right corner, we have our profile. We are going to click on our profile. After clicking on our profile, we're going to go to YouTube Studio. Now, after going to YouTube Studio, make sure you're on the dashboard. After you are on the dashboard, you're going to see recent subscribers on the second row on the bottom. So as you can see, this is my recent subscribers. Now, if I click on see all, I'm going to be able to see all of my subscribers and when they have subscribed to me. Now, off note, you will only be able to see those subscribers who have set their subscriptions to public. Those who have set their subscriptions to private, you will not be able to see them on your subscribers list. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these.